Apple Mac Mini M4 Pro. A machine that needs no introduction. It's the only machine on this list that's not strictly marketed as a gaming PC, but don't let that fool you. The Mac Mini M4 Pro is a beast in its own right, and an excellent choice for gamers who are already invested in the Apple ecosystem. At the heart of the Mac Mini M4 Pro is Apple's own M4 Pro chip, a powerhouse of a processor that's designed for demanding tasks like video editing, 3D rendering, and yes, even gaming. It's incredibly powerful and efficient, delivering exceptional performance without breaking a sweat. The Mac Mini M4 Pro doesn't come with a dedicated graphics card in the traditional sense. Instead, it relies on Apple's integrated graphics, which have gotten seriously impressive in recent years. While it might not be able to handle the most demanding AAA titles at the highest settings, it's more than capable of running a wide range of games smoothly and efficiently. The Mac Mini M4 Pro comes with a speedy 512GB SSD, providing ample space for your operating system, applications, and games. But what truly sets the Mac Mini M4 Pro apart is its seamless integration with the Apple ecosystem. If you're already using an iPhone, iPad, or Apple Watch, the Mac Mini M4 Pro just slides right in, offering a level of synergy and convenience that's unmatched by any other machine on this list.